Good morning, team. Uh, Today, I expect some kind of support to complete interim report of a project management. So, let me brief you about the project that we are working on. This is managing TV advertising campaigns software development activity that we are doing. As a part of this project, we will be developing a software that ensures that the proposed advertisements are aired at right time when some content is playing on television. Okay, so this is the main aim, to develop a specialist software for managing TV advertising campaigns into a product that could be used by large and small broadcasters. Okay, broadcasters, when they are playing some kind of content on television, they are supposed to air television ads, right? So without any lags, and it is necessary to air television ads at proposed timings. So for that purpose, we are developing a software program using web application techniques, like we will be using SQL database, PHP, and some data analysis and visualization techniques to understand how many people are watching the TV, some different types of purposes. Okay, so this is whole project. So in this, we are supposed to combine both project management techniques and software development techniques. Okay, so considering that, we are supposed to create a project plan. Okay, that I did already, but my requirement in this today's activity is, like, I want you people to develop a project interim report. I will be providing you this kind of content, this kind of template, which speaks about purpose of the project, and the progress, project progress, milestones, and different information. Okay, this is milestone page. If you see that, these are our project management activities, and these are software development activities. Okay, so our project plan includes both project management and software development related things. I want you to answer these things, like I will explain you how to answer them also. Then you are supposed to identify some risks and project summary. This is how a project progress or intermediate report will be created. Okay, so let me check with the requirement. So this is our first intermediate report template. See, in this document, team, in first intermediate report, it is very easy to fix, because we speak a lot about development of your milestones and project progress document. Okay, you should speak about, in the, like, as a part of the first intermediate report, we have performed project planning activities, and we clearly identified the set of resources that are required to complete the project, and we prepared a milestone sheet, and means like Gantt chart or project management sheet, worksheet, and we identified how progress can be measured. Okay, based on these milestones, the milestones that are mentioned here, based on these milestones, we evaluate how the project is progressing. Okay, so this information is done, and we are done with software specification requirements. So you are supposed to finish, this is finished, done, 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 and this we leave, because project execution will be completed when we complete all these set of activities. So we don't write any status over here, we write status here, but here we finish up to software requirement specification. Okay, so try to finish this status. If you have any remarks to mention, you can mention, maybe like identified some kind of basic purpose of the project, and you can speak about project start, budget, and time that is required was clearly understood. Here you can speak about identified various activities that are involved in completion of the project, and scheduling for all the activities were done. In that way, you can write some remarks. Okay, so here, so system application requirements, application development requirements, functional and non-functional requirements are clearly identified. That information can be quoted here, and these statuses are set to about to start or not initiated, not started. Okay, so just remove this one, just click on it, and select this and cut that. Okay, use Control X and it will go. Okay, Next, you try to identify some important risks that you experience while planning the project. Okay, so maybe some misunderstanding of requirements, some kind of basic information will be identified. Write 2 3 points and close it. And finally, summarize the project. Just I want you to summarize this whole activity and current status of the project. That's it. Already the template contains 80 words. If you write 400 words of information related to the project, and if you close it, that's it enough. Okay, 500 words is the target. You can write any date over here. It is okay, because they will change the dates. Your project milestones does not contain any dates. It is speaks about only status. What is the status of your work? Understood, team? So this you don't need. You are supposed to remove this. Yeah, like this milestone one, you need to remove this. Then risks, you will be addressing 4 or 5 risks, and you will finishing and summarizing the project. Total 400 words required. Please try to finish it. I will send you another video which speaks about project intermediate report too. I need 2 reports of like each report contains 400 words. That's it, team. Thank you. Please try to fix it as quick as possible. Before lunch, I need these two both intermediate reports. Okay, so for this you need to, you can spend 1 hour, 1.5 hour or 2 hours to finish this. Need not to do any research, or like need not to provide any references. Straight away understand the project. Try to work on that. Okay, thank you, team.